want to touch you, okay? Please go over here and take a seat. Easy. Just comply. Yeah, I'm taking the bag away. I'm taking the bag away. Stop resisting. I'm going to get close, so I'll keep her down. One driver, how you doing, man? Hello? Are you injured? All right. Hey, you're not on the phone. Just take a second to talk to us. Okay, all right. Take a second, breathe and talk to us. Okay, all right. Deep breaths.
I just got COVID.
Okay.
My body hurt.
Okay. Deep breaths. I know. Just deep breaths.
My body's hurt.
Okay, I'm gonna have you sit right over here.
No.
Come on. I don't want you in the road, ma'am. I don't want you getting hit. All right. Come on. It's all right. Hey, accidents happen.
Yeah, he's coming out.
Oh, he's coming out. Accidents happen. That's why we have insurance, right? Accidents happen.
Oh my God, I
Accidents happen.
just got COVID.
I know. It sucks. I know.
I just got my COVID.
My dear, breathe for me, all right?
Huh?
Take some deep breaths, okay?
No, it's not okay. I'm fucking alive.
Okay.
I'm freaking alive, and my freaking body hurt.
Okay. So, do you want to take a seat? We're going to have an ambulance come check
What do
you
you
out.
mean?
We're going to have
Where?
Right here. Take a seat on the ground.
No.
Okay. All right. We're going to have an ambulance come check you out. Okay, your airbags went off. Okay? Man.
I just got my car fixed.
Man, look at me.
No.
Sit on the curb.
No.
Sit on the curb. Sit on the curb now.
No. And don't touch me.
Okay. If you hit on your phone again, we're going to have to touch you, all right? I'm giving you one warning. You're going to be placed under arrest.
Don't touch me.
Okay. Sit on the ground. Okay. Sit on the ground.
Don't touch my phone either.
Sit on the ground. Sit on the ground.
Come on.
Sit on the ground. All right? I'm giving you one chance due to the circumstance with your car. All right? You just hit me with your phone.
So, and you picked up my phone.
I did because you just threw it on the ground.
Don't touch it.
Okay. Please take a seat until the ambulance gets here, okay? I'm going to ask you one more time. All right? Can you please take a seat? I'm not giving you your phone. All right?
Well, where is the ambulance?
It's on its way. What is your name? What is your name? Ma'am, we're here to help you, okay?
My name is Crystal.
Crystal, nice to meet you. My name is Sergeant Gill, okay?
Don't ask me no questions, cause.
All right. Can you please take a seat? You keep moving. I don't want you to fall.
Why the hell are you here in not the ambulance? Like, where the hell they at? Because I need them more than I need you right now.
Okay, they're on their way, miss. Can you please come here? Can you please come here?
What?
Get to the side of the road. You're walking in the middle of the street. Okay?
I'm hurt.
I don't want you to get more hurt. Okay?
And you don't even know who hit me. Like,
okay.
What the hell?
No problem.
I don't even know what hit me.
Just take a seat, miss. Just take a seat.
This shit is ridiculous.
Ma'am, look at me, please.
All I know is that I'm sore.
I want to get you checked out by an ambulance.
And you asking me questions.
I want to get you checked by an
ambulance. And I'm hurt.
Okay.
I'm fucking alive.
Okay. Yes, you are alive. Right?
Shit.
Okay.
A little closer to between down or
Can you please take a seat? I don't want you to fall.
I just got my car fixed and you fucking asking me dumb fucking questions.
Okay.
You dumb motherfucker.
Okay. Alright. Alright?
Oh.
Can you please come here? Ma'am,
If
please take a
don't
seat.
don't follow me.
Please.
Don't touch me.
Okay.
Cause I'm gonna punch you in the face.
I don't want you to do that.
Me.
You can stay
Don't
here though.
touch me.
The fire department's here.
Don't touch me.
Okay.
Hello? need to be checked out because you can't help it. I'm going to mess around and punch you in the face.
I don't want you to punch me in the face.
Don't touch me.
You can't leave.
Don't not touch me.
Please stay right there.
Because I'm going to punch you.
Stay right there, okay?
Because I just got my car fixed and you motherfucker.
I got it. I got it, all right?
Don't come nowhere near me.
Please stay where you are.
Don't touch me.
I don't want to touch you, but if you keep moving around, you're going to force us to keep you here. I don't want to go to that point. I'm going to tell you one more time. Please calm down. Do you want to take a seat on the front of my car?
I swear to God, I'm going to punch you in the face. Don't fucking touch me.
I don't want to touch you.
Don't nobody touch me. I swear to God. I'll punch you in the face.
I don't want to touch you. All right, but if you
don't
keep moving,
pepper spray me again.
I don't want to tease you. I don't want to pepper spray you. I'm not going to punch you. All right?
Anyway.
Can you please just hang out? Take a deep breath. I'm sorry about your car. Okay? Okay? I'm sorry about your car. I need you to calm down. All right? Okay? Just stay where you are. You want to take a seat on the front of this car? Take a deep breath and calm down?
No!
Okay. All right. You just can't leave, okay? Please stay here. All right? I'm going to get you checked out by an ambulance due to the crash, okay? The good part is you don't look like you have any cuts or bruises or anything, all right?
Yeah, that's good.
That is good.
I'm fucking alive and I'm talking to you.
You are alive. You are alive.
Don't touch me.
Okay, I don't want to touch you, miss. But please don't go anywhere. No. No. All right? Can you please just hang out, miss? Can you please just hang out? Please hang out. I don't want to touch you, miss. I don't want to touch you, okay? Can you please go over here and take a seat?
Notice the massive shift in energy here. Despite Sergeant Gill's repeated patience and attempts to de-escalate, Crystal crosses the line and strikes him. Tactically, that instantly forces a takedown, flipping a routine medical check into a volatile felony arrest. How would you have handled a suspect this unpredictable? Tell your opinion in the comments.
Okay? Everyone take a breath. Slow. We're good.
This is kind of stuck on there with the cuffs.
It's okay. Right. It's okay. We'll get it all off after. See if you got that leg.
Bring her up.
Yep. Bring her right up. Right up.
Bring her up.
Miss, you're under arrest for assault, resisting. All right.
Okay, relax.
Come to the back of the car.
Yeah. Bring her back. Whoever car that is.
Relax.
What do you want to do with this back? Why are you twisting your arm? You're gonna hurt yourself.
All right. For driver's going to be under for
I'm pretty sure you're going to take place. Where am I going?
have the squad respond to our headquarters, please, to check her out.
Here we are. You don't get hurt if you stay. Relax. Let us be cuffed. Jump the back. Okay, hand back behind your back.
Copy. Copy.
Right here. Watch out.
Just do a backhand real quick. As best you can.
All right, man. Relax.
Yes.
No, she's gonna step up.
Make sure they're both on good.
All right, relax, because we have to make sure you're secure. That's all.
Based on observation, prior to the suspected for
Okay.
we might have
Be fine. So you just get her. Put her in the book. All right, Crystal. Hop right up.
I don't think anything in the shoes. I don't think anything's on the person in the pocket.
We'll have
Yeah.
my back camera.
Okay, good. I'll do whatever you guys want. It's my district. I'll take the.
Just worry about the 17 for now.
Yeah.
Motherfucker, I've been in an accident all over again. Like, what the fuck? How the fuck did I end up in an accident? I didn't even know anything.
I got her.
I wasn't even going I wasn't even going fast. Like, how do I smash? I don't even know what type of car that is and where was it sitting. Like, I didn't even.
Yeah, we didn't know what happened with that. But why are you wilding out?
Because I hit a car.
Yeah, but like.
And then
now,
it's like,
oh,
you guys are hitting me.
We not.
You put me down to the ground and I didn't even
we're trying to make sure. My dear,
I hit the officer.
We were trying to make sure you're okay.
Yeah.
A car is just a car, right?
Yeah,
that can be replaced. We're making sure you're okay.
Yes, I am fine.
And you're over here wilding out.
I wasn't even lying.
You weren't?
No.
You were wilding out a little bit.
I was wilding out because, like, I just fixed my car. I just been in the accident and I fixed my car.
What happened before that? You had to get it fixed.
Before that, I went to the bank. I came home.
You went where?
I went to the bank around like 1 o'clock.
Bank?
Yeah.
No, I'm saying what happened to your car before.
It was an accident.
Yeah. Oh, it was an accident.
And I just got into an accident.
Where was that? Where was that first accident at?
The accident was on Trumbull.
Where's that? What town is that?
Elizabeth.
Oh, Elizabeth. Is that where you live, Elizabeth?
Yeah.
Okay.
Across the street, like around the corner from where I live, I just went to the bank. Like, I went to the bank to draw out some money, and then I ended up coming home, and then I ended up, before I even went to the bank, I ended up in an accident, like right around the corner, like in a jug handle.
Oh, really?
Can you scratch my nose because it really itches?
No, I can't. I can't because you just did all that.
It itch.
I know, but. I can't do it right now. Definitely not right now. Where were you at tonight?
I went to the club. I didn't even
you went
have
to the club?
Yeah.
Which club?
I went to Hugo's.
What's that?
I went to Hugo's in Plainfield.
Hugo's?
Yeah, I didn't even have that many drinks.
No?
No. And I was fine. I was driving.
Yeah.
Like, I was literally driving up the street.
You go there with some friends and stuff, hanging out?
Yeah, I went with my cousin, and then she ended up leaving, and then I ended up seeing somebody that I knew, so I just,
you just stayed and hung out with them?
Yeah, I just stayed to the end.
What were you drinking there? Anything good, or?
I didn't even have, like, many drinks. I just had, like, one shot and a mixed drink.
Mixed drink?
Yeah.
400.
Yeah, and a mixed drink.
Alright.
And then one of my friends, you know, they spoke, of course, since my cousin left and I couldn't see where she was at, there was somebody wearing the same color as her.
Yeah.
But she wasn't there, so the one that I stayed with to the end, he was, like, he smoked, so I ended up having, like, a pool. That's it. I was fine.
No, I hear you.
I didn't even I'm sober. Like, I literally walked out of my whole car. Like, I walked out of my car fine. I'm upset for the fact that I've been in a freaking accident.
Yeah, it's scary, right?
Yeah. Impacted. Boom, pow. Like, what the hell?
Yeah.
I just fixed my car. And then I'm in an accident.
You're in another one, right? How long ago was the other one?
I was driving. I seen cars forward, like driving forward. And then I drove. Like, I was driving straight. I didn't do nothing else. I just was driving. And then all of a sudden, boom. What the heck?
Yeah.
Like, impacted, literally.
Right.
You're
going back home?
I'm supposed to go back home.
Where's home at? You know?
In Elizabeth.
Oh, it's in Elizabeth. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
I have ID.
I hear you. Okay.
Yeah.
550 is in front of headquarters.
I wasn't even, like, speeding. I looked at my speedometer.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You can step inside. Copy.
I looked at my speedometer and I said, and then I walked out of my car. Next thing you know, it was just like, in a crash.
Yeah.
Again. And like.
Take her in, buddy.
I just got my car fixed. I just got it fixed. I painted it. I'm on my way home.
Delta 2, we're around pending on 87691. Front and rear going off.
Receive.
Alright, Crystal, I'm gonna unbuckle you now. Right, it was Crystal? Alright, I don't want to get your name wrong. Alright, you need help stepping out? I don't want you to trip.
No, I'm sorry, but I can step out. Just
Okay.
please, let me take my time.
Yeah, take your time. No rush here. Like I said, I don't want you tripping and falling. Alright. Buddy, check my back seat. It's all good? Good. Alright. Let's watch your face. Alright. Just lock my car, buddy? Yep. Walk right over here to this white door. Watch, you got a couple steps right here. Take your time. I get it.
Crystal's impaired choices escalated a simple crash response into a serious felony situation. Ultimately, she faced heavy charges, including OWI, resisting arrest, and aggravated assault on an officer. It's a harsh reality check on accountability and public safety. If you found this breakdown intense, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-life body cam breakdowns.